can Roman numerals representing very large numbers easily. Imagine trying to write out a number like 10 million using only symbols. Would it be simple or a real challenge? That's what we're here to find out about Roman numerals and how they handle big numbers. Roman numerals are based on 7 symbols, IV, X, L, C, D, and M. Each one stands for a specific value from 1 to 1000. To write larger numbers, Romans combine these symbols. For example, 1000 is written as M to get to 2000, you write M, and for 3000 MMM. But things get tricky when you want to go beyond that. The rules say you can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times in a row, so writing 5000 as MMMMM doesn't work. Instead, Romans used a line called a vinculum over a symbol to multiply its value by 1000. For example, a line over V would mean 5000. But this wasn't a standard method and wasn't used everywhere. It was more of a special notation used in some manuscripts. For numbers larger than a few thousand, writing them out with just symbols becomes very complicated. To write 10,000, you might need 10 ms in a row, which is hard to read and prone to mistakes. For even larger numbers like 100,000 or 1 million, the system doesn't have a straightforward way. Sometimes, medieval scribes used abbreviations or shorthand, but these were not consistent. Modern people sometimes use double letters like M for 1 million, but this is not part of the original Roman system. It's a modern adaptation to make things easier. The truth is, Roman numerals were never meant for very large numbers. They work well for dates, small sums, or simple calculations. When it comes to huge numbers, they quickly become unwieldy and impractical. So, while you can technically write big numbers with Roman numerals, it's not easy or efficient. The system's rules and limited symbols make it best suited for smaller, everyday numbers. As numbers grow larger, the Roman system shows its limitations, reminding us how number systems evolve to meet our needs.